The heat range offers a versatile and easy way to cook food on either charcoal or wood, with great results and very little smoke. Cooking should always be done with the baffle down, to prevent grease or food spoiling reaching the glass, and more importantly, to protect your legs. You can reach your required cooking temperature using the air control lever. With the air control lever fully out and the lid closed, you will see the temperature increase on the thermometer quickly. Within about 15 minutes of lighting, you should push the air control lever in to stabilize the temperature. When you have achieved the required temperature for your cooking, do not cook before the fuel has a coating of ash. Lift the lid, place the food, and then close the lid. Cooking with the lid closed will maintain the heat in the oven furnace and deliver perfect results. The grill can be raised and lowered depending on your cooking need. For example, if the extra grill depth is required for roasting a joint of meat. The appliance is also perfect for smoking and slowly cooking cuts of meat over a controlled smoldering wood or charcoal fire. It burns the fuel or wood cleanly and controllably within a narrow temperature band. For slow cooking, the flue rain cap gives you an extra level of control. Turn the flue rain cap left or right in order to reduce the vent opening, and thereby reduce the furnace temperature to the desired temperature. Have a look on chesneys.co.uk/outdoor/cooking for more information and to access our heat recipe book.